All right, so before we go ahead and jump in here, you're gonna need a few things. Obviously, a computer, a secure internet connection, a browser other than Safari, and you're gonna need a pen and a few pieces of paper. Let's go ahead and jump in. MetaMask.io, great company. You're gonna click download for whatever your browser is. I'm using Firefox. Continue to installation, add. Okay. You've downloaded it, you've opened the extension, you're gonna be on this page. You're gonna click the agreement and create a new wallet. A few things to keep in mind here. You're just gonna click agree, whatever. Build a password. I am going to create a password for this. Those few pieces of paper I had told you need, go ahead, pull one out, write down your password on it. We're gonna hit create a new wallet, and you don't need to save this. You're going to click secure my wallet, and you're gonna click reveal secret recovery phrase. Okay, these words, do not copy these words down, these are mine. Make sure that you're copying the words down for your wallet. Go ahead, pull out your piece of paper, write down each of these words, okay? Now I'm gonna go ahead and click next. And it's crucial you don't take a screenshot of it. You don't want this on your computer. The safest thing you can possibly do is take your couple pieces of paper, write it down on both those pieces of paper, put those pieces of paper in different spots of your house, make sure nobody's gonna find it, put it in an apartment, put it in a different location. Otherwise, you're gonna lose access to all your wallet and all your money's gonna be gone forever, and there's absolutely nothing anybody can do to get that money back for you. If you wanna be responsible for your finances, you need to be responsible for your finances. The way you're responsible is you write down everything on this piece of paper and you secure it. Go through, make sure you have all the words. For me, test and behave. And then we got what? Sick, legend, champion, cute. And then we have everything here. Got it. And MetaMask is complete. Done. Now, this is your wallet. Let me explain some things to you. We got a few buttons here, and we got something up here. If you go to the top, this says account 1. This thing right here, this is called your address. So you can go ahead and you can click this thing right here and it will show you your account. So you have account 1, 0 Ethereum. Now this address right here, if you click copy, you can open a new tab and you can paste it. This is your Ethereum address. People will send this to you, and this is your point on the blockchain that can receive tokens. You can also send tokens from this address. You can click enter and nothing will pop up. You can also go to this website called etherscan.io. You can go in here, you can paste, and you will see probably we've got our address. You can see we have 0 Ethereum balance, 0 Ethereum held, and there's nothing that's happened on this address. All right, so we can go ahead and we can click buy. We can see there's a variety of different ways that we can go ahead and get money on here directly through MetaMask. We can alternatively copy paste this and send money in Coinbase. The next thing you'll see is a send button. So this is, if this is your friend, you can go ahead and send them, some money. That's another thing you can do within MetaMask. All right, let's go through the rest of the features. The next thing you can do is swap. So MetaMask's got a super cool swap feature. You can go ahead and take money from, say, Ether, if you got some Ether, and you can go ahead and convert it into whatever you want. So we can go ahead and change it into USDT or DAI, which is a stable coin, or you can also alternatively put it into USDC. It's up to you. So that's another thing you can do with the MetaMask. The last thing you can do, which is super cool, happy MetaMask added this, is something called the bridge feature. So the bridge feature, super cool. It lets you take money from, say, Ethereum to the Arbitrum network, for example, and you can move, say, USDC to USDC, and you can just enter an amount. I don't have any in here. And this is super cool because now you can go ahead and use Arbitrum. Very neat. So those are the 4 main functions of MetaMask. Additionally, it's super useful to have your address and to be able to use Etherscan to navigate it, see what you've been up to, see what transaction history is going on. And that's how to use and set up MetaMask in a nutshell.